Unit 8 test. Listening. 1. Listen and write yes or no. 1.
Hello, Paul.
Hello. I'm hungry.
Would you like some bread and cheese?
Yes, please.
2.
Are there any tomatoes and potatoes?
There are some tomatoes, but there aren't any potatoes.
OK.
3.
Are there any grapes?
No, there aren't any grapes, but there are some apples.
Great!
4.
Would you like a mango?
No, thank you. I'm eating an orange.
Good.
5.
Would you like some juice, Mum?
Yes. Is there any apple juice?
No, but there's orange juice.
OK.
6.
Is there any milk in the fridge?
Yes, there is. Oh no, sorry. There isn't any.
OK.